Okay, good evening. What I'm going to do now is repair my sword of the Dasin Bleach or the strawberry and the death something, no? I accidentally snapped this without a force or without force actually with a very light force that I use. No? So what I did is I pre-drilled the holes to speed up the video. This super tiny hole is made from this thin drill bit. Where is it? I can't show it here. Sorry, yeah. So this is very thin. Okay. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to try and use the Tamiya glue so that it would be fixed. The safety pin that I'm using would be fixed permanently inside the sword. So I hope dabbing this or applying a thin coat would do the trick and melt the plastic in front or around surrounding the safety pin. Uh-huh. And okay, so the safety pin is flimsy, as we all know. So I'm going to cut this here around this length. Actually, the drilled hole is deeper. I know it's deeper, so the hole that I made here would definitely accommodate this. The problem is it won't. Actually, the problem with using the electrical drill is that it melts the plastic around around it and seals it back. So my god. Okay, but I can still, oh god, then I just freaking lost it. See, I applied the force and I broke it. So okay, I'll cut this further. So actually I'm not hoping that this would be a really good fix, but fixing this, if I could fix this, then I'd be happy just having it back the way it is. Hopefully this will do the trick, and if not, then Houston, I got a problem. And Tamiya glue will not melt the plastic that they used for this sword. Somehow it's a fail. Actually, yeah, it's a fail. I'll try again. I will still dry it this way. Let it settle first, and maybe it will give what I want. Okay, so Let it dry. I'll just let it dry first. Okay. Bye.